Hey guys, Jamie here with another Maya quick tip. It's more of a modeling quick tip, but yeah, if you ever run into a situation like this where you've beveled a lot of areas already, and you notice you come over here and you're like, oh no, this is screwed up. How am I supposed to? Do I have to do this and move it? And like, is it broken or how does that work? So the best solution that I have is kind of like it's like an edge cutout. So basically, cut out all the edges that might be better to see here. Cut out all the edges that are creating that deformation that we don't want, and we could delete those, and we get the straight line again, and then we can just super dirty. Don't really do it like this. Do it more precise, but see, we get our fix there, and we've fixed the geometry. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show. Thanks for watching. Bye.